For me, it's also a surprise that a commissioner or an official would react to this article of yours. I've seen a lot of articles from you that's even medyo harsher pa nga ng konti. And I've
Yes.
seen a lot of officials, even in the PBA, get lambasted and get criticized even harsher. Why? I mean, what do you think? What's the ano yung pinaka nakapag-trigger?
I don't
I'm
know.
just curious.
Maybe the good commissioners just passionate lang siguro siya to defend his league, or maybe he
Mhm.
just wants to establish a presence na ako yung commissioner, ha. Pag ganunin niyo, maybe warning shot sa media, not just to me but
Mm.
me. So I can only speculate. Pero
Mhm.
I share the same surprise na ano mo kasi I have written more pointed columns against the PBA, UAAP. Wala
Yeah.
sila. They did not come and threaten me with a lawsuit. They didn't say malicious, ganito, baseless,
Mhm.
lahat. Wala. So, yun na nga, na surprise ako.